Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, it's Yabuya eMaritzburg. eMaritzburg is up in arms, chasing away abantu bokufika abangekho emthethweni, abathatha amabhizinisi, abathatha imisebenzi in this country. We are tired. As we are always saying ukuthi asilwi nabantu, silwa nezenzo zabantu, silwa nabantu abangena ezweni lethu ngokungemthetho, benze izinto ezingekho emthethweni. So right now in KZN, there's no peace for illegal immigrants. If you are illegal in this country, it's better for you to just help yourself. Take your bags, go back home, because at least your countries are offering you free transport to go back home, to go back and fix your own countries. Because there's no need ukuthi ungagoloza ezweni okungalona elakho uthi you are not going anywhere, you are not going anywhere. There is no future for you in a foreign country. You have to go back home to fix your country for your own children, because your children will not end up in other countries. You have to know ukuthi in this life there is no place like home. Because you can see, like European countries, they don't want foreigners from Africa anymore. Why? Because of the things we do if we are there in those countries. So each and every person must go back home, fix his or her own country, because no one will fix your country for you. No country in this world can be able to fix itself without its citizens. Your country needs you to come back and fight for your rights there. Your people need you there. They need you to come back home to help them fight for your rights in your own country. I was so surprised to see a Nigerian man, we cannot go back home. They must change the government first if they want us to go back home. Why are they sending flights for us? We don't need flights. What they need to do is to change that government. Who will change the government? Who will change the government for you? You, as a citizen of that country, you have to go back home, fight for your rights in your country, because you cannot end up, as a man, you cannot end up in other countries. So if you are running away as a man, I don't understand what kind of a man are you? What kind of an African man are you if you are running away from your problems? Who will fight for your women? Who will fight for your children? If you, as a man who is supposed to fight for women, you are running away with women, who is going to fix your country if you are running away after your women? You cannot run away from your country forever. You can marry in another country, you can even have a citizenship of that country, but that country will never be yours. You will always be a foreigner in that country. Your origin, the country of your origin needs you. You have to go back there as a man, fight for your women, fight for your children. You cannot leave your country and decide that you want to end up in other countries and as a man. What about your own land?
Is this still valid? No.
A very good morning to all our viewers. As you can see, I am here with the municipality as well as public safety and Councillor Abbas Warisili. SAPS is also currently on scene, where they are checking for papers if their people are legal or illegal in our country. And currently we are on Queen Street, where we are at a salon business, and it looks like they have currently shut this business down due to no papers. As you can see now, there's no one in the shop and they all are out.
So guys, there is no peace for illegal immigrants in KZN. I hope each and every province is doing the same, because we are cleaning the country. This is Umdantsane March and March. They march to Home Affairs. The whole country is on fire, guys. The whole country wants to know what is going on. No town, no city, no township, no village must remain behind. Everyone in South Africa must stand up and say Abahambi. Don't allow them to hide in your area. Don't allow them to run away from other provinces, to run away from other towns and cities, to run to your town. Block them now. Don't allow them. And Lana is a George. eGeorge nakhona ziyabuya bathi mabahambe.